Welcome aboard the Learning Spaceship. Today, we're going on an amazing ABC adventure. Are you ready to say the letters together? Let's go! Look, here comes our first letter A. Say it with me. A. A is for apple. Chomp, chomp. Can you pretend to eat an apple? Here's B. Say it with me. B. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce. Let's pretend to bounce a ball. C is here. Say it with me. C. C is for cat. Meow, meow. Let's pretend to be a cat. Here comes D. Say it with me. D. D is for dog. Woof, woof. Let's bark like a dog. Wow, it's E. Say it with me. E. E is for elephant. Stomp, stomp. Let's wave our trunks. Look, it's F. Say it with me. F. F is for fish. Swim, swim. Let's wiggle like a fish. Here's G. Say it with me. G. Great job. G is for giraffe. Stretch, stretch. Let's reach high like a giraffe. It's H. Say it with me. H. You rock. H is for hat. Put it on. Let's pretend to wear a hat. Here's I. Say it with me. I love the way you said the letter I. I is for ice cream. Let's grab an ice cream cone. It's J. Say it with me. J. J is for jump. Hop, hop. Let's jump up high. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Here comes K. Say it with me. K. K is for kite. Fly so high. Let's pretend to fly a kite in the sky. Wow, it's L. Say it with me. L. L is for lion. Roar, roar. Let's roar like a big lion. It's M. Say it with me. M. M is for money. Be sure to budget your money. Always save, share, and spend wisely. Look, it's N. Say it with me. N. N is for nest. Sleep tight. Let's curl up like a baby bird in a nest. It's O. Say it with me. O. O is for octopus. Wiggle arms. Let's move our arms like an octopus. Here's P. Say it with me. P. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle. Let's walk like a penguin.
Wow!
It's Q. Say it with me. Q. Q is for queen. Wave, wave. Let's wave like a queen. Look, it's R. Say it with me. R. R is for robot. Beep, bop. Let's walk like a robot.
Wow!
It's S. Say it with me. S. S is for sun. Shine bright. Let's spread our arms like the sun. Here's T. Say it with me. T. T is for turtle. Slow and steady. Let's walk slowly like a turtle. It's U. Say it with me. U. U is for umbrella. Open up. Let's pretend to open an umbrella.
Wow!
It's V. Say it with me. V. V is for violin. Play a tune. Let's pretend to play a violin. It's W. Say it with me. W. W is for whale. Splash, splash. Let's pretend to be a big whale. It's X. Say it with me. X. X is for xylophone. Ding ding, let's play a xylophone. Here comes Y. Say it with me, Y. Y is for yo-yo. Go up and down like a yo-yo. Wow, it's Z. Say it with me, Z. Z is for zebra. Gallop, gallop. Let's run like a zebra.
Hooray!
You did an amazing job learning your ABCs today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an alphabet expert. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Learning Spaceship for more fun learning. See you next time!